YouTube, it's your guy DH Pyro back again with another video, and here we have United We Ride from Worldclass Fireworks. Performance is white glitter plus red and blue, green glitter plus purple and blue, white glitter mine to red, green, purple, common, white glitter mine, silver tail with whistle, white glitter, tea gold palm plus red, blue, brocade, crown, chrysanthemum. The theme effect is glitter mines, comments, whistling palm trees, brocade, crown, and chrysanthemum. And as you can see, this is a fan cake, 200 grams, 42 shots, as you can see right there. All right, United We Ride from Worldclass Fireworks. Let's make some noise.
That was dope. Like, comment, and subscribe.